Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the batteries of your Lux TX100E thermostat. So the Lux TX100E powered by two AA alkaline batteries, and Lux recommends replacing them at least once a year or whenever the yellow bat indicator appears on this particular screen. So in order to get started, you need to simply go to the thermostat, and then you need to locate the housing release tabs along with the bottom edge of the unit. Now you need to gently pull the front portion of the thermostat away from the wall mounted base. The thermostat should then separate into two sections, exposing the back of the front housing where the batteries are installed. Now once you have access to the battery compartment, you just have to simply remove the old batteries out of it. Now before installing the new batteries, you need to take a moment to inspect the battery contacts. If you notice any kind of dust, corrosion or buildup, you need to also carefully clean the contact to ensure the solid connection. Afterwards, you need to simply install the new two AA alkaline batteries, making sure that the positives and the negative ends match the polarity markings inside the compartment. Now, Lux specifically recommends using fresh alkaline batteries such as Duracell or Energizer for reliable operation. Now, after the batteries are installed, you need to align the front of the thermostat with the wall base and firmly press the two halves back together until they snap securely into the place. Now, once it is reassembled successfully, you need to then check this particular display over here. Now, on top of it, you should see that the yellow bat option or that particular error should disappear, and the thermostat should also return to the normal operation. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.